we witnessed what was clearly a close shave, two small planes almost scraping past each other, coming dangerously close to each other. And as we've been saying, this really could have resulted in a major mid-air tragedy, luckily averted in the end, with the two planes landing safely. But now we're also getting pictures. Not sure if those are pictures of the same aircraft that we saw in mid-air just a short while ago. We'll try and get a confirmation of that. We saw pictures of a damaged plane there. Not sure if it's the same aircraft. Very possibly this was really the same aircraft which was involved in that incident a short while ago. In those pictures, we saw the damaged wing of one of those planes. We'll try and play those pictures for you again. But first, take a look at what happened in the skies above Bengaluru earlier today during the ongoing Aero India show, where two Red Bull planes came very, very close to each other in what could have been a major accident, but it was averted in the end. The planes did scrape past each other, it seems. Going by those pictures, we don't know at this point just how close really the planes came to each other, but it does look like they came dangerously in contact with each other. In fact, we have seen pictures of one plane's wing that was damaged in this mishap. So certainly there was contact there. The two planes did in fact touch each other during that incident, but luckily still managed to land safely after that. Of course, this is something that will now be inquired into to determine what really went wrong there. We have seen several acts of spectacular daredevilry in the Bengaluru skies over the last 2 days during this mega show, which, as we've been saying, draws aviation aficionados from around the country and outside.